Laurel Lane used to be such a nice place to live. Everyone used to be friends in this neighborhood. But then everyone started sharing the same cable line for the internet. That's when things online got slower and people started acting, well, downright unneighborly.
Every day I come into this neighborhood, I don't know what to expect. I'm scared. We used to use this mace for dogs.
Occasionally you get a situation like this with the overcrowding on the internet. People try to take the law into their own hands.
You gotta get them to log off, that's the whole point.
The thing is these aren't bad people. That's what breaks my heart.
Grandpa!
Oh, no, you're a werewolf!